Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome and thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm going to share the Hero Arts My Monthly Hero Kit with you. My friend Noni orders these and then I get to share them with you and we get to play with them sometimes too. She also has a bunch of add-ons this month. So first let's look at the kit, see what it is, see what our theme is, and then we'll look at the add-ons. So Hero Arts, if you're not familiar with them, they make great stamps and dies, and they just have great products. They've been around for a long time. And if you're ordering these days, be sure and be patient with our vendors because there's just a lot going on. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the set every month has stamps and dies in it. And this month, there we go. Okay, so this month we have an Asian theme. I'm going to get this off of here so you can see it a little better. And then just back it on the green paper. It says, "Thank you, live life in full bloom." These are beautiful. "Stop and smell the blossoms, thinking of you." Look at that. It's too cute. So then you can make your tree and hang your blossoms from it. Have your little pagodas. Is that what they're called? And then these would be layering stamps for your scene. See how they would layer up? You would use a lighter ink and then a darker ink here. And the same thing here. Very neat. And then there are the dies on the other side of this so that you can cut out, your tree, it looks like. And you can cut this out, I think. And then you can cut these out. And then this part, so you can cut across this top border instead of fussy cutting it. And it contains the 6x8 clear set of stamps, coordinating frame cuts, dies, whatever. 5 ink cubes. These look good. And it's green hills, field greens, dusty blue, rose madder, DDER, and cotton candy. Some bright, cheerful colors for spring. And look at this, pink puff. It must be embossing powder. Yes, pink puff embossing powder. I would think if it's called pink puff, maybe it puffs up kind of like a snow pen. It's very bright and cheery. That would be lovely for the blossoms, right? That's probably the idea. And then there's cardstock in here. I'm not going to touch all her paper. Super cute. So she loves Asian themed stamps and dies and products. So let's take a look at her add-ons because she buys beautiful stuff in these categories. And Noni traveled quite a bit and has lived in the Far East and just really lived in a lot of interesting places. So to her, this isn't just, some of these things are like home to her, right? This is beautiful. Oh, look, with the bamboo and is that a lotus blossom? And the rocks. "I cherish every moment together, sending positive vibes your way." Oh, that's a great stamp for right now. Sending positive vibes your way to all of you. "Enjoy the journey. Happy birthday." That's a nice font too. "Sending love and harmony. Wishing you true happiness." Look at that. Oh, that's just going to be gorgeous. I bet she's going to color that beautifully. Very, very pretty. Love that set. Oh, these are nice. "Be kind to yourself. Breathe in, breathe out. Listen to your heart. Just let it go. Live simply. Just be you. Love, kindness, and respect. Namaste. Let that shiitake go. Take time to smell the flowers. Bring me calm. You're my zen in this crazy world. Sending you peaceful vibes. It's cool to be zen. Those are really neat stamps. I really like this one, "Be kind to yourself." The fonts are nice too. When you find a company that you like, their style will align with yours, and it's very possible that you'll like a lot of their products and fonts, that sort of thing. Look at this. This is just going to be gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous die. And it's called Cherry Blossom Fancy Dies. And again, these are add-ons for the kit. So this is the kit itself, and then these are add-ons since she was ordering. She added more stuff to the box. Oh, this is gorgeous. This would be really fun to color too, with colored pencils or something. Oh, and then the koi pond. Very cool. What's it called? Koi pond? Koi pond bold prints. Look at that stamp. It is a giant, it's a 6x6 stamp. That's gorgeous. And this one is called Parasol Pattern Bold Prints. Love it. So those are fun things. If you're not familiar with Hero Arts, be sure and check them out. You can find them at heroarts.com. I hope you're taking care of yourself and really taking it easy and staying home and relaxing. It's a great time for crafting and relaxing, right? Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.